Now, after industrial air conditioning, winter air conditioning. In winter air conditioning, air is heated, which is generally accompanied by humidification. Which is generally accompanied by humidification. The, the schematic arrangement of the system is shown in the figure. The outside air flows through a damper and mixes up with the recirculated air which is obtained from the conditioned space. The mixed air passes through a filter to remove dirt, dust and other impurities. The air now passes through the preheat coil in order to prevent the possible freezing of the water and to control the evaporation of the water in the humidifier. After that, the air is made to pass through a reheat coil to bring the air to the required temperature. Here it is sketch, it is given over here, a schematic diagram. That is, air is entering, this is your filter. Then after that, there is preheater, we are heating the air. Then humidification is being done. Then and it goes directly to the conditioned space with the help of a fan. Part of that recirculated air is mixed with the outside air and it is recirculated. So the process, this is your winter air conditioning in which you require some. Okay, next page. Designed by dry bulb temperature gun. Now the conditioned air is supplied to the conditioned space by fan. From the conditioned space, a part of the used air is exhausted to the atmosphere by the exhaust fan or ventilator. The remaining part of the used air, known as recirculated air, is again conditioned as shown in the figure. The outside air is sucked and made to mix with the recirculated air in order to make up for the loss of conditioned air through exhaust fan or ventilator from the conditioned space. Now one numerical winter air conditioning. Air at 10 degree DVT 90% RH is to be brought to 35% DVT and 22.5 degree centigrade WBT wet bulb temperature with the help of winter air conditioning. If the humidified air comes out of the humidifier at 90% RH, draw the various processes involved on a skeleton psychrometric chart and find first the temperature to which the air should be preheated, second the efficiency of the air washer. Air washer is used for humidification and dehumidification purpose in air conditioning system. Now solution to numerical given: TD1 10 degree, Phi1 90 degree, then TD2 35, TW2 22.5. First of all, mark the initial condition of the air 10 degree DVT and 90% RH on the psychrometric chart at point number 1. Here it is psychrometric chart. Point number 1 is here. Okay. 10 degree DVT and 90% RH. Okay. Now make the final condition of the air 35 degree DVT and 22.5 degree WBT at point 2. The final condition of the air is obtained with the help of conditioning. Therefore, the processes involved are: point 2 is here, point 2, that is 35 degree DVT and 22.5 degree WBT. 1 is here, 2 is here. Now Now what are the processes which are involved here? Preheating of entering air in a preheater, then humidification of the preheated air in humidifier or air washer, and reheating of the humidifier air in a reheater. Three processes are concerned with this. Okay, shown 1A, AB and B2 respectively on the cyclomatic chart. 1A, 1A, AB, AB, B2 on the cyclomatic chart. In order to obtain these processes on the cyclomatic chart, draw a horizontal line through point 1 to represent sensible heat of the air. From point 2, draw a horizontal line to intersect 90% RH. Okay, horizontal line 90% RH, it is cut at the point B. Now from B, draw a constant wet bulb temperature line which intersect the horizontal line drawn through the point 1 at point A. Okay, along with the WBT line, and it is cutting this horizontal line at point A, which now draw a horizontal line horizontally drawn through the one point A. Now 1A represent preheating of the air, line AB represent humidification, and line B2 represent reheating the air to final condition. So 1A represent air, 1A it is heating because it is going in this direction. 1A heating of the air, 1A heating of the air, preheating of the air. Line AB represent humidification, AB humidification, because humidity line are this curved line, so it is increasing from A to B, going upward, so humidification is taking place, represent humidification. And line B2 represent reheating the air to the final condition. Line B2 again it is being reheated, that is dBT is increased to get the final condition of the air. Now temperature to which the air should be preheated. From the cyclomatic chart, the temperature to which the air should be preheated is given by TDA, that is 31.2. Directly we can get it. A vertical line we draw, it will cut the dBT line somewhere, that is TDA. TDA is 31.2 degrees centigrade. Okay, then efficiency of the air washer, we have to find out the efficiency of the air washer also. Efficiency of the air washer. So efficiency of the air washer from the cyclomatic chart, TDB at 15.5 and TDB dash 17.5 here. Okay, so we know that efficiency of the air washer, actual drop in dBT divided by ideal drop in dBT. Actual drop in dBT, that is TDA minus TDB divided by TDA minus TDB dash. Putting all the values, that is TDA we know, then TDA again we know, and TDB dash. All are vertical line and cutting the dry bulb dBT line at different places. So we can get directly the reading, and putting all those things we get 92.7% answer. That's all. Thank you.